Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into the Google account that manages the place, then open Google Maps and find the exact pin or business listing. Once found, make sure you're using the desktop site or the latest mobile app for full options. This affects available edit tools. If you don't own the listing, choose Suggest an Edit. Now tap or click the place name to reveal the Details panel so you can begin editing fields. Once the Details panel is open, select Suggest an Edit or Edit Business Info depending on your access. Change the name field to the accurate, official name. Avoid keywords, promotional text, or symbols. This helps approvals. Make sure to update supporting fields like address, website, and hours to strengthen the change request. If possible, upload a photo showing the storefront sign. These extras help the review team verify authenticity and speed up approval. After editing, review every field and add a concise note explaining why the rename is necessary. This context helps reviewers. Submit the change and monitor your email and Google Maps contributions for status updates. Approvals can take days. If the edit is rejected, don't panic. Collect proof such as photos of the sign, an official business license, or a website screenshot, then resubmit with that evidence. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.